didn't even get to bronze.
Hello guys! I just wanted to make a quick video to present you what I'm doing about my tradings automatically, and if you look at my trade historic, I can have some losses and I can have many win in a row. Sometimes I need to handle loss in a row, which I try always to limit and to perform better the bots and to be with a good win rate and a ratio. Like you can see many strategy in the market, but some problem are that they are not using a one-to-one ratio. They are using sometimes multi-take profit or other take profits parameters, but when you put them one-to-one ratio, they are not that profitable, or they are 50%, and that's the trick, that's the problem for me with many strategies. I wanted to have a positive win rate with a one-to-one ratio. This is very important for my part. And also what I wanted to, when I did, is I use pyramiding to raise my my chance of winning. It means sometimes when we trade, if there is 5 signals on the same direction, there is more chance the signal to commit. So if there is 5 signals and you win, you with 5 trades, right? And that's why you put only 20% of your equity, but one trade is one trade. You know, if there is 77% win rate, you win basically 3 times and lose 1 time. So it's good, at least for my part. And also a thing I tried to do is on the back test. You see the first trade of this series is on the 4th of July. So if I want to know what would have done my bots before that, I go to the first trade, I do the replay, and I see. So the good thing is, even if the profit are a little bit lower, in the last year, because it's from December 4th of December in 2020. So in the last year, with these parameters, you had still 60% win rate. And last year the market was moving a little bit more. So if you put 3131 at this moment, you will have 66%. So what we learned is you need to have a profitable strategy, 60% or more, and win money over time. For a year we will have win money, because this is without leverage. It's only if you put 20% of equity, but when we trade, we use a little bit of leverage to increase this amount, and that's what we got right now. If you want to look closer to the position, the strategy looks like this. If you are above, if you are the EMA, need to be bearish, and if you are below this longer term EMA and there is a signal, you enter. And short RSI is used when there are big losses, big spike, and Stranger and MACD are used to take the pullbacks. So you enter and take the pullbacks here. Here it was RSI, pullbacks, and it close. You have another RSI, another Stranger, and it close in profit. There is a pullback in the MACD. You take it and you have a success. There is many filter in the strategy. The best one I use is an ADX Masana Kamura. which make a big improvement in the code since I implement it, because it's allowed me to get more trades and to keep the good win rate. So this is very important to use. The strategy is available from my Patreon, and right now, if you DM me, if you go to Discord, it's for free for 3 months at least. You can try it and see how it goes with the trading. I try to make tutorials to explain how to build your Finandy, and how to make it work. So from Finandy and TradingView. If you want to see one of my statistics, which is kind of important, my cumulative P&L from the beginning, I use the code with $500 is 174. So I never been in a loss with using my code from now, but I had like with this code, which is hard, you can have like because I use 16 coins, so I already have days with I lost $70 in a way, and it came back 90s or $100 in the other way. So it finished in profit, but it was hard to handle the position and not cut off the bot, being afraid, you know. So that's my real trading stats, my Finandy running, and if you want to see with all my trades I use, of course it's not gonna work. Yeah, like this you can see a little bit more. So they had like big spike losses, it's true, and also big wins. So yeah, there is always a risk with trading, but this way it done it when I'm not in front of the computer, and if it's still win money, I can have some losses of course, but if it's winning money over time, and I don't have to be in front of the computer to do all the trade, is great for me. So that was all. I just wanted to present you a little bit the code. What I can show you as well is I have 16 coin I improved. So if you can see for the Ethereum, I got same stats. For the other coins, get a little bit lower, but I have 70% for Solana, BTC 66%, REN, SFP, KSM, Phil. I also use Litecoin, EOS, NEAR, which is really good, CRV, DOT, RSR, ADA is not good enough, so I'm not botting it. The coin doesn't respond as we want, and delete. So basically is this, and sometime is good in the backtest, and sometime there is question. So still it's a little bit profitable, but the market condition wasn't good enough at this moment. So this is I still try to improve to get good backtest result, which I know is really hard to get a constant win rate over time. What I liked is for the Bitcoin and the Ethereum is that they are still 60% profitable in other market conditions. So you always need to improve your settings. Try yourself to adapt the way the coin move. Like if the spike getting bigger, you need to improve a little bit the take profit and stuff like this. And it's a way, and there is more improvement to come. But today I released the new version, which increased a little bit the number of trades. to increase again the net profit you can get. That's all. Thank you for viewing the videos. I can stream on Twitch sometime as well. And I hope to see you in Discord and to present you more about the code and how you could join the community and use it. As I said, for now it's completely free, so I just need people to test and have good results with them. All I want is us to win money together. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye. Coming from TradingView mostly. So in order to send the signals to from TradingView to Finandi, there is a hook, and those hooks are made like this. You can set up a hook. Everything is in my Discord, so you will know how to set up them. But you set up a hook like this, and your alert in TradingView will send to this link in order to go into a position, and will tell you how much and what currencies and stuff like this. So everything is coming from TradingView to Finandi, and it's instantly. It works on the close, so every 15 minutes there can be a signals. But the good part is not this one. The good part is when you create the strategies. So everything is coded, and all the rest is done by the bot. So what do we use for this? For use these bots is signals. You know, you use indicators to generate signals for your bot to enter in position, and those indicators, you certainly know it already. Those indicators are